Hello everyone, today we'll be doing important MCQ questions of Unit 1 Physics. Coming to the first question, which theorem is used to derive Maxwell's first equation from Gauss law? Option 1, Stokes theorem, Divergence theorem, Green theorem or Laplace theorem. So the correct option is option number B, Divergence theorem. Coming to the second question, Maxwell's first differential equation is option number A, divergence of E is equal to rho by epsilon naught, curl of E is equal to 0, divergence of B is equal to 0 and curl of B is equal to mu naught J. So the correct answer is option number A. Divergence of E vector is equal to rho by epsilon naught. Coming to question number 3, the divergence of the electric field is proportional to current density, electric charge density, magnetic field or electric potential. The correct option is option number B, that is electric charge density. Coming to the next question, which Maxwell equation proves non-existence of magnetic monopoles? First equation, second equation, third equation or fourth equation? So the correct option is option number B, second equation. Coming to the fifth question, the equation divergence of B is equal to 0 implies magnetic field has sources, magnetic monopoles exist, magnetic field lines are closed loops, magnetic field disappears. So the correct option is option number C, magnetic field lines are closed loops. Question number 6, Faraday's law in differential form is option number A, B, C or D. So the correct answer is answer number A, that is curl of vector E is equal to differential form of B, that is magnetic field. Coming to question number 7, Faraday's law describes the phenomenon of electrostatics, electromagnetic induction, magnetic force or electric conduction. So the correct answer is option number B, electromagnetic induction. Coming to the eighth question, which theorem is used to derive Faraday's law in integral form? Gauss theorem, Stokes theorem, Laplace theorem or gradient theorem? Correct answer is option number B, Stokes theorem. The Maxwell-Ampere's law is written as. So the correct equation for the Maxwell-Ampere's law is option number A, that is the mentioned option. Coming to the question number 10th, the term is in Maxwell equation represents magnetic flux, electric displacement, displacement current, or electric charge. So the correct option is option number C, displacement current. Coming to question number 11, the concept of displacement current was introduced by Faraday, Maxwell, Ampere, or Coulomb. So the correct answer is option number B, Maxwell. Maxwell predicted electromagnetic waves using Coulomb's law, Gauss law, Maxwell equation, or Ohm's law. Option number C, Maxwell equation. The speed of electromagnetic wave derived from Maxwell equation is, so the correct option of this question is B, 1 upon under root of mu naught epsilon naught. Question number 14, electromagnetic waves are produced by static charge, accelerating charges, stationary magnets, constant current. So the correct answer is option number B, that is accelerating charges. In electromagnetic waves, the electric field, magnetic field and direction of propagation are parallel or perpendicular to each other, random or opposite. So the correct option is option number B, all perpendicular to each other. Question number 16, the gradient of a scalar function represent rate of rotation, rate and direction of maximum increase, curl of field or divergence of field. So the correct option is option number B, rate and direction of maximum increase. Question number 17 says the divergence of a vector field physically represents circulation, rotation, source or sink strength, field direction. So the correct option is answer number C, that is source or sink strength. Coming to question number 18, curl of a vector field indicates field intensity, rate of rotation of field, scalar potential or electric charge. So the correct answer is option number B, that is rate of rotation of field. Coming to question number 19, which says which operator converts a scalar field into a vector field? Curl, divergence, gradients or Laplacian. So the correct option is answer number C, that is gradient. Coming to question number 20, that is which operators converts a vector field into scalar field? That is option number B, that is divergence. Gauss law states that the electric flux through a closed surface is proportional to electric charge, charge enclosed, magnetic field or current. So the correct option is answer number B, that is charge enclosed. Coming to question number 12, the mathematical expression of Gauss law. So the expression is answer number A, that is surface integral of E is equal to Q by epsilon naught. A Gaussian surface is a real physical surface, imaginary closed surface, magnetic boundary or electric conductor. So option is imaginary closed surface. If the electric flux through a closed surface is zero, the charge enclosed is infinite, zero, positive or negative. So the correct option is zero. Maxwell unified electricity and magnetism through 2 equations, 3 equations, 4 equations, or 5 equations? The correct option is option number C, 4 equations. Maxwell's first equation is derived from Coulomb's law, Gauss law of electrostatics, Faraday's law, or Ampere's law. Correct option is option number B, Gauss law of electrostatics. Maxwell's second equation states that magnetic monopoles exist, magnetic monopoles do not exist, electric field is constant, current produces charge. So the correct option is option number B, that is magnetic monopoles do not exist. Maxwell's third equation represents Coulomb's law, Faraday's law of induction, Ohm's law, or Newton's law. So the correct option is option number B, Faraday's law of induction. Coming to question number 29, that is Maxwell's fourth equation modifies Faraday's law, Gauss law, Ampere's law, or Coulomb's law. So the correct option is option number C, that is Ampere's law. Coming to question number 30, that is the additional term introduced by Maxwell is electric flux, magnetic flux, displacement current, or magnetic moment. So the correct option is option number C, that is displacement current. Electromagnetic waves consist of only electric field, only magnetic field, electric field and magnetic field, electric charge. So the correct option is option number C, that is electric and magnetic field. In electromagnetic waves, electric fields and magnetic fields are parallel, perpendicular, opposite, or independent. Option number B is correct, that is perpendicular. So the 33 question says, electromagnetic waves travel with velocity equal to speed of sound, speed of light, speed of electron, or speed of photon. So the correct option is option number B, that is speed of light. Direction of propagation of EM waves is parallel to E field, parallel to B field, perpendicular to both E and B, opposite to E field. So the correct option is option number C, that is perpendicular to both E and B. Question number 35 says, electromagnetic waves can propagate in solid only, liquid only, vacuum, or conductor. So option number C is correct, that is vacuum. Laplace equation is given by. So the correct Laplace equation is option number A. Question number 37, Poisson's equation is, the equation that correctly represents Poisson's equation is option number A, that is del square V is equal to minus rho by epsilon naught. Question number 38, the continuity equation represents conservation of energy, mass, charge, or momentum. So correct option is answer number C, that is charge. The unit of electric field is option A, N upon C, option B, Tesla, option C, Weber, or option D, Ampere. So correct option is option number A, that is N upon C. Question number 40, the unit of magnetic flux is Tesla, Weber, Coulomb, or Ampere. So the correct option is option number B, Weber. Question number 41, electric displacement vector is represented by E, B, T, or H. Correct option is option number C, that is D. Magnetic field intensity is represented by H. Option number A is H, option number B D, option number C E, or option number D phi. So the correct option is option number A, that is H. Question number 43 says the relationship between speed of EM waves and medium is. So the correct option of the given question is option number A, that is 1 upon under root mu naught by epsilon naught. Question number 44 says magnetic field lines are open curves, closed curves, straight lines, or random. So the correct option is option number B, closed curves. Question number 45 says electromagnetic waves belongs to mechanical waves, matter waves, transverse waves, or longitudinal waves. Correct option is option number C, that is transverse waves. Laser stands for. So the correct answer for the question is option number A, light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. Question number 47 says the basic principle of laser is reflection, stimulated emission, refraction, or diffraction. So the correct option is option number B, stimulated emission. Question number 48, population inversion is necessary for LED, laser action, photodiode, or solar cell. So the correct option is option number B, that is laser action. Question number 49 says the device used to pump energy into laser medium is called resonator, option B, pumping source, option C, detector, or option D, filter. So correct option is option number B, that is pumping source. Coming to question number 50, that says ruby laser is an example of solid state laser, gas laser, liquid laser, or semiconductor laser. So the correct option is option number A, solid state laser. Which Maxwell equation relates electric field to charge field? So the correct equation is option number A, that is divergence of vector E is equal to rho by epsilon naught. Coming to question number 52, which quantity remains conserved according to continuity equation? Energy, charge, momentum, or magnetic flux? So the correct option is option number B, that is charge. Which vector identity is used in electromagnetic theory? So the correct option of the given question is option number A. That is divergence of curl of vector A is equal to 0. Coming to question number 54, that is the direction of EM waves propagation is given by E cross B, B cross E, E plus B or E minus B. So the correct option is option number A, E cross B. Question number 55, in free space EM waves are longitudinal, transverse, standing or mechanical. So correct option is option number B, transverse. Question number 56, which law relates changing electric field to magnetic field? Gauss law, Faraday's law, Maxwell Ampere's law or Coulomb's law? Correct option is option number C, that is Maxwell Ampere's law. Coming to question number 57, that is which quantity describes magnetic flux intensity? H, B, D or E? Correct option is option number B, that is B. Which parameter represents permittivity of free space? Mu naught, epsilon naught, sigma or lambda? So correct option is option number B, that is epsilon naught. Which device uses stimulated emission principle? Laser, LED, photodiode or solar cell? Option number A, that is laser. Coming to the last question, that is in laser operation mirrors form resonant cavity, amplifier, filter or detector. So the correct option is option number A, that is resonant cavity. Thank you.